Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is our third video of the series SolidWorks Basic Tutorials. This is the part that I have selected for today's tutorial, and today we are also going to learn about a new command called Revolve. So let's get started. Open the new part from here. Okay. Now we have to select a view from which we are going to make this part. I have already told you that you have to select the view which has as many features as possible, and I think this is the one. You can see the detail in the section view. So in the revolve feature you have to make only one side of the sketch and draw a center line and then revolve it around the center line. So let's start. Okay, first I am going to make a rough sketch and then we will complete it. Okay, let's add some relations. This is horizontal, this is vertical. Okay, add a center line here. And let's add some dimensions. This is 10 millimeter. This total is 100 millimeter, so the half will be 50. Okay. Let's adjust it a bit. Okay, and this one here is 50 millimeter in total, so this will be 25. The hollow circle in the middle one is 40, so this one will be 20. Okay, the total height is 90 millimeter from here to here. 90. Okay, this one here is 60 millimeter. Okay, if you put your cursor in the center line, you can enter the full dimension, like full diameter, just as I am going to do 60 millimeter here. So here it is showing that its complete dimension is it's the diameter, and here to here it will be 30 millimeter. Okay, let's add some heights. This one is 35 millimeter. 35. Okay, and this one here is 25. Okay, our sketch is fully defined. This 65, you can see here it's already 65. You don't need to add this one. It's the driven dimension, which means that it's not necessary. The sketch is fully defined if you don't enter it anyway. Okay, let's go to features, revolve. As there is a center line, this feature already revolve the whole geometry around it, so that's looking good. Okay, our part is almost complete. Let's add some circles here. Click on the face and click sketch. Here this one it's also called pitch circle. Let's add a pitch circle. The diameter of this circle is 80 millimeter. Let's make it for construction. Okay. There are 6 holes here, so I'm going to make only one hole and use circular pattern. Okay, let's make it here. Let's make a relation horizontal and add a dia 11.8 millimeter. Okay, I have made this circle here. So this is through and through circle. Let's extrude cut and through all, because the depth is not given, so it will be through and through. So for circular feature, go to here, circular pattern. For the direction, click any of the circular geometry, and for features, click on feature from the graphic area, or you can also select the feature from here. Okay, the amount is 6 including this feature. Equal spacing mean this 360 degree will be divided into 6 equal parts. Okay, so our part is completed. Let's add some colors to it. Let's make it some blue color, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you learned something new, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.